So the transform keys in Maya are basically W for move, E for rotate, and R for scale. In Blender you don't have a gizmo by default unless you click on the move icon in the left toolbar, the rotate and the scale. So the way people work in Blender, which is very fast, is to use the shortcut keys. So G is for move. So if I hit G, I can move this. S is for scale, and R is for rotate. So you can actually move the object or transform it in a given axis by hitting the shortcut key followed by the letter for the axis. So if I want to move this, I hit G first, then I hit X, and I can transform it along the X. Similarly, R and X, and S and X, and the same for the Y and the Z axes. You can use the buttons here, but it's faster to actually use the shortcuts, and most people who use Blender use the shortcuts rather than the keys on the left hand side.